In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rules in Gmail to filter your emails. This is a handy tool that can help you automatically organize, sort, and manage your inbox, making your email experience more efficient and stress-free. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to access the Gmail settings. Head over to your Gmail page, which you can open in any web browser. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your Gmail interface. You'll find an icon that looks like a gear, commonly known as the settings icon. Go ahead and give it a click. After clicking the settings icon, a drop down menu will appear. What we're looking for is an option called See All Settings. You'll want to click on this to open the full settings menu. This is where we have access to a variety of customization options for your Gmail account. Now that you're in the settings, direct your attention to the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is your destination for creating new filters and managing any you might have previously set up. In this section, you should see the option to create a new filter. Clicking on this will bring up a window where you can specify the conditions of your new filter. Here's where the real fun begins. Let's say you want to filter out promotional emails and keep them out of your main inbox. In the field marked subject, you can type in a keyword like promotion. This will let the filter identify any emails with promotion in the subject line. Once you've set these conditions, you'll find a button to create filter. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to another screen where you'll decide what actions this filter should take on matching emails. You have various options on this screen, but for our example, we'll focus on one particular action. You'll see an option that says delete it. Clicking this will ensure that any email matching the criteria we set, specifically those with promotion in the subject line, will bypass your inbox and go directly to your trash. With that option selected, you're almost done. The last step is to click on Create Filter, again to finalize your setup. And there you have it. You've successfully created a rule in Gmail that automatically filters out promotional emails. Utilizing filters can really clean up your inbox, keeping unnecessary or less urgent emails out of your immediate view. It's all about creating a tailored email management system that works for you. So feel free to experiment with different criteria and actions to suit your email habits. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your inbox organized.